Hey there, a little chilly Northern California day. I guess chilly for me is probably nothing for some of you guys who live on the East Coast where it's in the 20s and 30s and down into the teens. But here in Northern California, and Southern California, we hit the 40s. It's cold, it's cold. So anyway, we're here. We're here anyway, even though it's cold. We'll take our modified cold, and you can have the ice stuff. So why do you hear? So check it out. Another little quick wrap up on our infamous Johnny Somali or what's his name? Ramzi Khalid Ismail. I said Ishmael, and someone in the comments corrected me sternly. It's Ismail and not Ishmael, because that was making a reference to someone else. And I hope I didn't offend you. No offense intended. So, but it has been moved and moved by the judge. Now, other countries here we have rights that we get when we have our amendments, the constitutional rights. And one of those constitutional rights is the right to a speedy trial. However, you're not in Kansas anymore, buddy. You are not on U.S. territory. You do not get the rights of the Constitution. So you will abide by the laws of the country that you are in. Should have thought about that when you was out there acting the fool. So the judge has moved his trial. Now it's March 7th. Did I say? No, it's not March. It's just March 7th, 2025. What's supposed to be in December, but it's March 7th, 2025. One of the ways that they sweat you is you don't get a speedy trial, so they'll push it out. You've got to live. He was bucking. I think one time he was bucking. He was doing anything he could do to be arrested so he wouldn't be on the street. Only problem with that is once you get arrested, you're in jail or prison or a holding facility that you are in, have people that don't really care for you because you have desecrated the sacredness of their country by coming and acting a fool. And even here in the States, we got people here in the States, man, we got enough bad actors out there messing up our reputation. We don't need you. So now, over this period, Mr. Somali or Ramzi Khalid Ismail, he can't work. There's no work visa. And definitely no streaming, because streaming is what got you behind in trouble the first time. So no streaming. I imagine somebody will slip him some money in somewhere. Maybe he has family. Maybe some of the people that, encouraged him to put himself in this position. But he said he has no conscience, so it probably wouldn't matter. But he'll survive some kind of way, because they want to keep you alive so they can make you pay for your sins. So he's got a lot. So they delay the trial. No speedy trial. It gets delayed, and during that time he's going to have to figure out a way how he's going to eat and whatnot. So no streaming, no source of income. You can't get out there and act a fool. Maybe somebody will send you some money. Delayed March 7, 2025. Can't leave the country. He has no passport. Guy's got no passport, so he can't just, I'm out of here. Nope. And all those little corny videos he was making, I don't even think he can make those anymore. No posting, because that's posting. That's like working. Dude, I know this is probably a mean thing to say, but I truly do hope you are in a world of trouble, because you will be able to set an example for others of what not to do, especially when you're not at home. But, he said he doesn't have a conscience or anything else like that. So we'll see. Anyway, that was a little bit of a catch up on Johnny Somali. Hey, we're going to be pushing some new content out. New content. I'm going to be pushing out new content out. New channel that will link to this one. Leveling up at 60. All you people that are 60 plus, we got to step it up, man. It's a big world out there. Big world out there. Go see Johnny Somali. But until then, I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Whitey here. Peace.